Hello, in this video I will show you how to earn credits or free gifts on your Temu account. Welcome guys, I will show you how to do that, so let's do it. Open your Temu first and you will see this homepage. Go click on your profile. So go to earn credits or free gifts and click. And from here, for example, I will pick this one, click get 1 Canadian dollars. For example, I will choose this, click here and click pick the gift. And as you see, congratulations, I have a gift right now. So that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.